We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kairiyard 7-inch HD 1080p backup camera. Consists of the following features: 7-inch HD 1080p backup camera. The 7-inch monitor uses advanced optics and superior image processing technology. Can offers pixel resolution of 1920 x 1080. 100% true color reproduction, no more annoying blurry discoloration. Screen and picture. 7-inch truck backup camera help you see blind area where your eyes can't reach, and displays the most ideal road condition. Dual camera setup. This backup camera includes two 1080p cameras, allowing you to monitor both the rear and side of your vehicle. You also can manually switch to the channel you want. Backup camera for truck with 150 degrees wide viewing angle. Non-fisheye distortion camera. Camera use high-quality chip and anti-fog glass, CCD imaging sensor, which make vivid and HD 1080p resolution color images, making it easier and safer for reversing, parking, or towing. Stable signal transmission. The wired backup camera is superior in signal stability compared to the wireless backup camera for truck. And system is not affected by interference, no signal delays, interference, fluctuations or intermittent problems, providing you 1080p color images at all times, to ensure safer driving. The reverse camera for truck is widely used on DC 12-volt vehicles, such as trailer, truck, car, tractor, RV, van, SUV and more. Multiple functions. The backup camera for cars with 5 type of parking lines functions. You can choose what you want to match your needs for safe parking. You can also turn it off if you don't want it, so can used as a front or rear camera. The backup camera for car can also adjust brightness, contrast, image flip and other functions. IP69 waterproof. The reverse camera for car housing is made of high-quality ABS material. Rear view camera for car with IP69 waterproof. RV backup camera designed with fully sealed glue filling craft. With backup camera systems for truck, absolutely no need to worry about water, fog, or mist inside. Travel on rainy days without worry. 2 types of installation. Our backup camera with monitor can be powered by the reverse light, automatically triggering the reversing image when reversing, or can directly connected to the cigarette lighter. Backup camera for truck. RV come with 16, 33, 49 feet video cable. You can DIY installation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.